Have you ever been to Thailand? If you have, do you remember how it felt the first time you landed there? I still remember mine, Chiang Mai. A cool evening breeze, lanterns lighting up the old streets, the smell of curry wafting from a little alley shop. It felt like a tropical dream, with a hint of nostalgia. But lately, people are saying that dream doesn't feel the same anymore. More and more travelers are saying, I used to love Thailand, but now I'm not so sure. That hits hard, especially for a country once seen as the crown jewel of Southeast Asia. Hey, I'm Billy. I've been in the travel industry for over 10 years, met thousands of travelers from all over the world, and today I want to talk to you about something a lot of people are noticing. Quote, what's happening to Thailand, and why are so many people deciding not to come back? Let's start with something recent, the earthquake. It didn't cause massive destruction, but it shook something else, people's confidence. A tourist from Germany once told me, quote, it's not the quake I feared. It's the not knowing what to do and no one telling you anything. Travel is supposed to be relaxing, not stressful. Then there's the visa mess. 1 month you're in, next month you're not. Digital nomad visa, still waiting. A Canadian couple told me they canceled their trip because they weren't sure if they still qualified to enter. They went to Vietnam instead. Tourism shouldn't feel like solving a puzzle before you even board the plane. But here's the part that stings most, the vibe. Something just feels colder. A girl from Australia once said to me, quote, it's like they want my wallet, but not me, end quote. I get it. Everyone's tired after the pandemic. Businesses are trying to survive, but sometimes in the rush to recover, we forget to be kind to the very people who loved us before. These days, Thailand's going all in on Chinese and Indian tourists. Sure, those are massive markets with growing spending power, but there's tension, cultural clashes, overcrowded spots, complaints from locals and other tourists. An American guy told me, after visiting Phuket again, it used to feel peaceful. Now, it feels like a giant amusement park, end quote. Trying to please everyone often ends up pleasing no one. Meanwhile, Thailand's neighbors are quietly stepping up. Vietnam's going green, Indonesia's balancing Bali better, the Philippines is cleaning up Boracay and improving infrastructure. Thailand, some say it feels like the country's stuck between the past and what comes next. And what about prices? Thailand used to be the place for great value. Now you hear people say it's not terrible, but it's not worth it, end quote. When prices go up and the quality doesn't follow, travelers look elsewhere. Vietnam, Indonesia, even Latin America. Then there's all the little stuff. Sketchy taxi apps, dual pricing, annoying scams, end quote. One or two, fine, end quote. But pile on too many and even loyal fans start thinking, Look, this isn't about Thailand being bad. It's still beautiful, still full of rich culture and kind locals. But what made it special, that warm, welcoming energy, that's what's fading. And once you lose that, no amount of pretty beaches or flashy ads can bring it back. What about you? Have you been to Thailand lately? Would you go again? Was it the visa headache, the changing vibe, the price, or just something you can't quite name? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Whether it's your first trip or your 15th, it matters. And maybe, just maybe, if more people speak up, the places we loved can start listening again. If this video meant something to you, give it a like. It helps a lot. And subscribe for more honest travel stories. Because travel isn't just about where we go. It's about how it feels when we get there.